Hi everyone, so today I wanted to check out NCT Dream's Rains in Heaven music video, which came out just a day ago. So I am not the biggest NCT stan. I've recently been getting into NCT, oh my gosh, I cannot talk. Hello. I've recently been getting into NCT Dream since their last comeback, which had Smoothie on it. And so much so that I ended up buying tickets for their concert. So I will be seeing them in October in Oakland, which very much looking forward to. I love like seeing new bands that I'm kind of like unfamiliar with in a concert setting. I know like a little bit about NCT's background because I did a little bit of like research when I was slowly opening the door to them, but I kind of stopped myself because I was like, I cannot get into another group right now. Like there's too many people on my walls right now, and I just want to listen to their music and watch their videos. So that is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna watch their recent comeback. I did not know this was gonna happen. I feel like one of them had like a solo thing come out, if I'm correct. And also, as a heads up, as I'm watching this, I don't know everyone's names. I know a couple of them, like for sure. Like I know Mark, and then I know Jamin, because Jamin like stood out to me in the Smoothie music video. There's someone named Rayun, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, there's a couple here and there that I kind of remember, but I cannot remember their names right now. But at any rate, let's just get right into the reaction. I'm really excited. This will be my first NCT Dream reaction on here. So, but I really wanted to watch this because the thumbnail looked really pretty. So yes, we will get right into it. There's already over 1 million views. So yes, let's just jump into it and have some fun. Alrighty, everyone. So as we normally do things here, we'll watch the music video without the subtitles. This is almost 4 minutes long. It is 4 minutes long. Love to see it. But yeah, we'll watch it without subtitles for the first watch and then with subtitles for the second watch. So let's get right into it. I'm ready to get dreamy here. Oh. Already liking it.
In the morning when you wake up,
Is that Mark?
thinking about how you
Who is that?
run away from here, wanna cry and
The vocals. Oh, this is such a pretty shot. The purple and pink. This is stunning. Is this Mark? Let me know. I feel like it is. Let me make sure my yeah, quality needs to be up. Oh, why is it only 7? That's weird. Okay. Anyways, let's start over. Love the makeup. Pretty, so pretty.
in the morning when you wake
Sounds so good.
thinking about how you wanna run away from here, wanna cry and disappear. There's something that you need to hear. Every night you become my sky, 'cause we're glancing never enough.
That Jamin. These shots are so pretty. Like this feather. Oh my gosh. I don't know anything about NCT Dream's storyline, but I'm assuming it's got something to do with dreams. But anyways, I am loving the vibe of this. I can't really pinpoint like the sound, but I like it.
Every night you become my sky, 'cause we're glancing
Makeup is gorgeous.
you don't believe it.
I think that's Rayun.
There's something that you need to see. Oh yeah, it's a reflection, cause of in heaven.
Oh,
They have a message for you.
beautiful voice.
I know that you feel all, I know that you lost all. but I'm always,
Yeah, that's Jaden.
always by your side. We are all the same.
Oh, I love this sound. Okay. Are we in a dystopian world here? Their visuals. Yeah, there's something.
Don't believe it. There's something that you need to see. Oh yeah, it's a reflection. Clouds up in heaven. They have a message for you and me. I know that you feel all. I know that you lost all hope. But I am always by your side.
Ooh.
We are all the same, but we're different.
This? Oh, there's only 4 of them in this? Oh, yeah, okay. Beautiful. Yes. Love the neutrals. Yeah. So one thing that is kind of confusing with NCT Dream and the whole NCT universe is that I know for certain comebacks, only like certain members are in the comebacks, which I don't know how I feel about that, because like NCT is like a huge, like there's 26 of them or something like that, but I don't know, because that makes me feel like that gets me more confused with like who is in this comeback versus who was in like the smoothie comeback. But I really love this song. It reminds me of Cosmic by Red Velvet that recently came out. Kind of has like a little 80s synth, but like is dreamy, like it feels dreamy, obviously. Hence the name. But it also like has a like nostalgia to it that I can't, like it kind of like I'm getting freaking, what is that movie with David Bowie? My goodness, it's like one of my favorite movies and I cannot think of the name. I will have to look it up after I watch this, but it kind of reminds me of that, like vibe wise.
Keep your heart with me. Let me.
Yeah, there's a.
All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yeah, I say now take it step by step. Stay on to the next song and dream with no regrets.
Yeah, this is very 80s sounding.
I wanna hold you, girl, I adore you. Just let me show you.
Okay, maybe there's more, maybe. Ooh, that's pretty. That was pretty.
I wanna hold you, girl, I adore you. Just let me show you. Let your heaven shine. Let's go.
Oh, the ad lib in the back. The ad lib in the back was like.
Hold on. Girl, I adore you. Just let me show you.
Oh.
Let your heaven shine. Let's go.
Oh, that sounds so beautiful.
Looking back, no, don't let any of our past just us down, you know. We're nothing that we're made to think.
Oh.
Think to believe. We are all the same, but we're different now. When you cry,
That. Gorgeous. The lighting in this video is really pretty. Very pretty. But this area reminds me of where they filmed parts of Halazia by ATEEZ. And I know they like film in a lot of the same places because like Korea is pretty small, but like, wow, the visuals are just like very gorgeous.
we're nothing that we're made to think. To believe. We are all the
This area. Love these outfits. Oh, this sounds so pretty. Yeah, this was in Halazia. this is so pretty. I don't know why I said it like that, but oh wait, no, I want to watch the whole chorus because I really like the, where does it start? Here? Yeah, it's a pre-chorus. Pretty. Oh, this rap reminds me a lot of like Rise's rap sections, and they're under the same company, so like makes sense. Remember the reason of love. Told me that you won't give up. Falling, we rock, so we run. Get off the ground, go up higher and higher now. Falling like a shooting star. Get you anywhere you. Yeah, that really reminds me of this. Oh. How long does that note go on for? Oh my god. Oh, that is so pretty. That is gorgeous. Like, look how smooth his skin is for one. And then his eyelashes. How do they get that? Anyways. Oh. Falling like a shooting star. Why are we? Oh. You ain't even got a call. Wow. Who are you? Sorry. This sounds so pretty. I keep saying pretty, but it. Okay, Frost. Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, why do they look like so gorgeous? Like, oh, what on earth? Oh, who is this man in the center? I feel like I remember him from Smoothie, but I don't remember his name. Yeah, but I love these outfits. They're so pretty. How many times can I say pretty? Oh. Oh, the vocals. That is stunning. Ooh. Was that Jamin? Wait, what is this? Oh, their 8th anniversary? They've been together for that long. My gosh. Anyways, I am gonna like that. Okay. That was stunning. Hold on, I need to quickly look up this movie because it is bugging me. It's like one of my favorite movies. I don't know why I'm blanking on it, but David Bowie is in it, and I'll just go on his IMDb because, oh, I don't like how this is formatted. Labyrinth. How can I not remember that? The Labyrinth is a wonderful movie. It is quite old, but, and I only say that because I know there's like a lot of young people in K-pop, but it's such a good movie. It is like weird, but in a good way. And this, like the visuals of this movie or this music video, which looks like a movie, reminds me so much of the Labyrinth, and also the like 80s synth like vibes, because the Labyrinth was in the 80s. Obviously David Bowie, for anyone who wants to know, David Bowie plays a Goblin King. So enough said. You all should watch it right now. But yeah, I'm hoping I got some of the names right. I apologize if I did not, but I feel like I got most. I mean, I really know for sure who Mark is, and I feel like I know Ray. Is it Rayun? Is that how you say his name? I'm gonna have to look up their names again after this, but yeah, I really like that. I do, and we're gonna watch it again, so don't you worry. All right, everyone, here is the second watch with the subtitles, and I'm gonna try not to pause as much. So I really want to take in the visuals because it is a very pretty, very gorgeous music video. Love the makeup.
In the morning when you wake up, thinking about how you wanna run away from here, wanna cry and disappear. There's something that you need to hear. Every night you become my sky, 'cause your glance is never enough. You don't believe it. There's something that you need to see.
This part reminds me of Cosmic. Oh, I love the tone of his voice.
Always by your side. We are all the same, but hurt different. I have when you cried, it rains in heaven. I won't let you
I love this.
unless you're in my arms, only in my arms.
Gorgeous, like gospel.
Let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are.
Yeah, I say now,
Oh.
take it step by step. Stay on to the next zone and dream.
Why are we fighting?
Hold on, never let go.
I wanna hold you, you'll
I-
adore you. Just let me show
Whoever has that voice, that like rusty, first of all, the makeup, yes. Anyways, that like husky, I don't know why I said rusty, that husky voice that's like a lower register, whoever has that, I love that voice.
Let your heaven shine. Let's go.
Oh, beautiful.
Looking back, no, don't let any of our past chase us down, you know. We're nothing that we made to think.
Him.
We are all the same, but hurt different. I love when you cry, it rains in heaven. I won't let you fall down unless you're in my arms, only in my arms. Keep your heart with me, let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change.
Love the dancing or the choreography.
Remember the reason of love.
This really reminds me of
Falling, we walk, so we run.
Rise.
Ground go apart.
Specifically, is it 9 days? I think it's the 9 days Night Days rap section. Sorry if you can hear leaf blowing in the background. Apologies. But yeah, this music video is stunning.
Falling like a shooting star. Hit you anywhere you are. You ain't even gotta call.
Cause I'll be there. We are all the same, but we're different. I hope when you cry,
He also has beautiful.
you fall down.
Yeah, I like him in the center.
Keep your heart with me. Let me read it. All your tears remind
Which is, oh my gosh, so funny because in Smoothie I was all about Jamin, but this guy, I really promised I wouldn't pause as much. I apologize, but him, I cannot remember your name. And NCT TikTok helped me out and everything, and I cannot remember your name. I'm sorry.
fall down unless you're in my arms. Only in my
I know Mark.
keep your heart with me. Let me read it. All your tears remind me you're beautiful. It won't change how I think. I love the way you are, the way you are. Yes, I do. Yes,
Oh,
I do.
so pretty. I love. Okay, Mark.
Yes, I do.
The way you are.
Wow. This is a stunning music video. It really does remind me of Cosmic. Like, gorgeous. I love the purple and green tones. Let's see. This is like, this shot is so pretty. And the angle, oh my God. And like when they were all like these little moments, oh my God, I cannot. Like these little moments when they're going by each member. This feels very sad, like and just the rain. And it's literally called Rains in Heaven, so like I understand the water. Their makeup is stunning, the styling. This is pretty, oh my gosh, this is, and I'm pretty sure this is where Halazia was, or part of Halazia was filmed. Like the lighting is so pretty. And it makes sense, right? Because like they're talking about, oh, see the lighting in the background? Like that is gorgeous. Like, because it's called Rains in Heaven, so like I feel like the lighting is very soft and like fluorescent almost, because of like it's the light from the heavens. I'm just like, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, and the scene, like, gorgeous. Yeah, I love the greens and the purples. Fam, oh, that's cute. Oh, see, whoever this man is, let me know. Let me know, please. Oh, even this shot, like the little, I love the little like zoomed in close-up shots. Yeah, oh, that's a cool, that is, looks like a fisheye lens. Yeah, beautiful. Anyways, let's stop. Oh, I feel like I kind of want to show you guys, I wonder if there's a trailer for, oh, you guys are seeing what I'm going to be watching in the future. Anyways, the Labyrinth, like if there's a trailer. There's a trailer for that. Oh, yes, classic trailer, HD trailer. Let's do, oh, that's 2 years ago. I don't know who that is. Jennifer Connelly is like the main, this is Fandango. Let's do this.
Always Flex Foam stays dry and fresh.
Apologies for the ad.
See what foam can do for you.
But think of it vibes-wise.
TriStar Pictures announces the collaboration
Very.
of 3 extraordinary talents. Jim Henson, creator of The Muppets and Dark Crystal.
Where you go with a head like that?
George
I don't know
Lucas,
about
creator of the Star
this
Wars
trailer.
saga.
Oh my god, hilarious. Like the music?
And one of the most innovative forces in modern entertainment, David Bowie.
That image alone. This is hilarious.
Together, they will take you into a dazzling world of fantasy and adventure.
There's nothing to be
But-
afraid of.
Can you
A
understand
world
where
where
I'm...
anything seems possible, and nothing
Oh,
is
this
what
is
it
like,
seems.
yeah.
Everything I've done for you. I move the stars for no one. Run so hard, run so far.
The world of Labyrinth.
Okay, hilarious. That was a very hilarious. Oh, nope. Nope. It is a very weird movie. But anyways, I'm gonna stop recording now and then. Did I not record that? Wait, it's syncing. Oh no. Okay. Well, hold on. Did it not record that last bit? Oh, it did. Okay, it did. Yeah, okay. My gosh. Okay, I'm gonna pause and give my final thoughts. We have watched Rains in Heaven by NCT Dream. That was a lot of fun. I really liked that. And just the music video itself is very stunning. It was very dreamy, which, I mean, even in Smoothie, like Smoothie was obviously a bit more wild, but still, you know, had that dreamy, like, grain. Not really, this one wasn't as grainy, but like Smoothie had a little bit of more grainy texture. This one was more like soft lighting, but like kind of fluorescent and like purple and pink, beautiful green lighting. And yeah, the visuals were just very pretty. And I think that's one of the reasons why I also liked watching Smoothie, was because I was really interested in the visual elements. And I feel like because they're NCT Dream, they can kind of play with really cool visual elements. But this really reminded me of Cosmic by Red Velvet, because again, that was also very almost ethereal and like playful, like, and cosmic. And this one had cosmic elements as well, because there's like the meteorites that were falling from the sky. And yeah, I know nothing about NCT Dream's storyline, but Red Velvet is under SM, right? Yes, they are. So yeah, are they like in a similar world? I don't know. I know not, like, I follow Red Velvet's music, but I don't really follow like their storylines or anything like that. But I got a lot of Red Velvet in this. And then also how I was mentioning I'm pretty sure it was 9 Days by Rise, who is also under SM. Like the rapping section really reminded me of that. But yeah, this was a gorgeous music video, and I really actually like the song a lot. And ignore that bad trailer that I showed you, because I mean, that movie was 1986, so you could tell it was a 1986 film. But the like vibes of Labyrinth really remind me of the vibes of this music video, and they kind of have a similar, like, oh, my light just came off. Hello. Sorry, I don't know why that keeps happening. But anyways, apologies. The colors, and then also they were wearing like pretty white outfits with like little soft pastel colors. It reminds me of the styling in Labyrinth, so I wonder if there was some influences. There are puppets in Labyrinth, so but they're the same people as you heard in the trailer, the people that did Dark Crystal, which is also, some elements of Dark Crystal did remind me of this music video as well in terms of like aesthetics. But yeah, that was gorgeous and I really liked it. Did they come out with a full album? I also did not know that NCT Dream has been together for that long. I'm very new to the NCT universe, as you can tell. What's going on with my Spotify? Hold on. Because if there is a album, I will probably do an album listen. It looks like it might just be a single. Yeah, it might just be a single. So that is good. I don't have to add a album listen to my watch. Because as you could see, I have lots of things to watch this weekend. But yes, I have talked far too much and I have to continue my laundry, so I've got other things I need to do. But I really enjoyed that, and yeah, that might be a problem. That might be a problem, but I'm gonna try to control myself and not dive too deep into this band because I cannot add another group to my list, even though I am seeing them in concert, which also might put me in a bad situation because typically after concerts I go into a hole like I did with Rise. But yeah, I just can't add anymore. I'll be a fan and a follower of their music. I don't know if I can get into them, but you can tell me like who's who and all that stuff, because I do want to know their names like before the concert and stuff. I know a handful of them, but yeah, also don't get mad if I get people wrong. Please do not get mad. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this, and yeah, I don't know how to end this. I don't know why I'm acting a little strange today, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this and look forward to the next reaction.